If you are using Logitech's onboard memory manager and you thought, why not should I, which key is this? Yeah, so on this key, why not should I put something like Alt+Tab? Okay, and if you try to find it here, you see that Alt+Tab is not present. So you will naturally go into keystroke plus modify and you will press Alt+Tab once, and this is what happens. It gets stuck, and the only key that gets registered in the onboard memory manager is Alt, no Tab. Okay, you can try to do it again, Alt+Tab, and it will not happen. So what's the solution? Solution is get rid of this onboard memory manager and also get rid of Logitech G Hub. Both are terrible application. What you need is Logitech gaming software, as I have already shown here. Okay, you need this. You can do it through G Hub, but it has its own problems, as I showed you in a previous video. Let me show you. So yeah, the volume key problem, that is with the G Hub. So anyways, G Hub is bloated. Uninstall it and also remove onboard memory manager and just install Logitech gaming software. Do I have it running? No, I do not. And you do not need to keep it have it running. That's the most important thing. Oh, so my bad, my Alt key is now stuck since I pressed this. How do I fix it? I need to open the onboard memory. My bad, my everything now will be, now my Alt key is pressed with this mouse. See, I can't use anything. Let me try to remove it. Oh yeah, finally it got fixed. I had to remove and connect the mouse again for it to work. And why can't you see my face? Anyways, I don't need my face for it. So open the Logitech gaming software application. Okay, and in that you go inside, and there you can set the, where is the key? This is the key. In here you can set, where is Alt+Tab? There is no Alt+Tab here, but you can just type here Alt+Tab and do OK, and now it has been assigned. Okay, so once again, you do not need any other application. Just what's the app? Just this is fine. Logitech gaming software is enough on its own.